It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. YouTube, Muscle Gang. This video ain't gonna be like the regular degular. Hold on, man. Something on camera. Alright, we back. So, anyway, this video ain't gonna be like the regular degular. This is actually gonna be a horrible video. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, man. I don't know where to start. I really don't. I'm not trying to waste no bunch of time, whatever, getting to the point or whatever, but the SS is down. The SS is down for the most part. Again, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. I think we got some issues, so I'm gonna tap in with y'all. First of all, let me do a little quick interior update with the car. Maybe y'all done seen a little bit of the inside right here, but I did get the interior wrap suede Alcantara or whatever you want to call it, but it's suede headliner, and it ain't got the stars in it or nothing like that. But this is what I ended up having to get done shortly after I got the car, because the headliner was sagging back here and stuff, so that really wasn't no good. Anyway, another thing I ended up getting done is I ended up getting a CarPlay box. Is pretty much what it is. These cars don't come with CarPlay or Android Auto or none of that stuff, so this is easy upgrade to have, you know, up-to-date type of navigation and stuff like that, because that's what the new cars come with, all the CarPlay capabilities and stuff like that. But I had to drop the glove box and stuff like that. Y'all don't mind all the sweet and sour. I have to spam them for that because they be acting stingy. So anyway, yeah, man, doggone glove box had to get dropped. I had to take off all this interior pieces, airbag, took these off and stuff like that to put that in there. But it's a pretty cool system or whatever. It does mirroring for the phone and stuff like that. But that's all the interior stuff I got done. The car needs a really good detail, but I have not. It's the first time I've probably drove this car in 2 weeks or so, just because everything that's been going on. But a quick kind of breakdown, just probably maybe a month ago, I went down to my hometown and I started hearing a noise from the car or whatever, and I thought I was tripping. But my brother was there with me, so I had him listen to it too. And it was coming from the valve train and stuff like that, it sounded like. So I'm just like, man, like, this can't be. Like, and just for reference, this car has like 130-some thousand miles on it. It's getting up there in the mileage and stuff like that. But, I mean, I think the car has had pretty decent maintenance before I had it. I don't really know. I'm the third owner, but I don't know. I was hearing that noise, and I had a 3-hour drive to make back home, so I had to drive it home with it making that noise. And anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a sound. Somebody running that thing. Give y'all a quick sound, what it sound like and everything. Y'all got the cold start and everything, so. It make my butt clench, y'all, honestly. It really does. Well, I think it's coming from cylinder 7 back here, the one in the back. But it's really apparent up in the high RPM, not high RPMs, but around 1500, you can hear it. Y'all can't probably hear it too good. I might try to set y'all up and like rev it up a little bit. But again, y'all, that make my butt clench up, man, just hearing it, because I know the longer I drive it, the more damage it's gonna be. But it seems like it's coming from back here on this cylinder over here. And like I said, I think it's a lifter issue. I mean, y'all might have to kind of see if I can get this set up, y'all. Yeah, I'm not trying to rev it like that, but I just want to make sure that the audio catches for y'all. But it's very apparent, and like I said, it seems like it's coming from back here on this side. I'm not gonna do it on this video, but in an upcoming video, I will be taking off these coils and the valve covers, and I will be visually inspecting it myself, which is another reason why I opted to get this car over anything else, because of the platform. Like, I feel totally comfortable working on this myself. I don't think I have any. I mean, these are LS engines. These are practically freaking small block Chevys, you know, like the old school anyway. I mean, it's just a small block, but anyway, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, that's what's going on with the SS right now. It's not looking good. It will be down, so y'all not gonna see it on the channel right now, or for a little while for that matter. So until I get everything. Now, this was like something that I knew was probably inevitable. So I did say before, when I did get this car, that I would take the opportunity and put a cam in here. But I got so many vehicles, y'all know how many vehicles I got, so I might just visually inspect everything, make sure, you know, everything else is good. And if that's good, and if it's just a lifter issue or a rocker or something of that nature, I'll just replace the lifters and then just go back in with it. But I dropped it a couple clips on what could possibly, y'all probably say, that contributed to why it happened, you know. But that's why. Maybe. But this is the vehicle, y'all. This is what we're working with. Still ain't, like I said, it does nothing else to it. I know somebody in the comments had asked me what brand drilled and slotted rotors these was, and I have absolutely no idea. I said, whenever I do take the wheels back off and have to change the brakes, I will end up looking at that, because I'm curious my dog gonna sell, because they suck. But they the same like that all the way around. We still got tread, same amount of tread, but again, like I said, I don't drive the car like that. So this is it, man. And I know it's an issue or something, because this thing sounds like it's really got like a aftermarket cam in it now. Like that thing just be rocking, and I don't know, y'all can't hear it, but that thing is chopping. And it's actually, that might be a miss. That might be what that is. It could be misfiring. So like I said, that's what's going on with the car right now. It's not looking good. Like I said, it will be down, and it won't be on the channel for a little while. So y'all just pray that I just don't let nobody. Alright, doggone video cut off of me. I said, I'm just running out of space more and more. That's why these videos just getting shorter and shorter. But like I said, this dent is really ticking me off, man. It really is. This dent right here, it's a big old dent. It seems like it's getting bigger or something, man. I don't know what's up with that, bro. But yeah, man, somebody had said something too about how close these brakes is to these rims. That is crazy. I mean, you can't even stick probably 10 index cards in there, or probably less than that. But this is the whip. This is the whip, and it's on a power trip right now. So again, yeah, I ain't gonna see this on the channel for a little while. So it is what it is. Stuff happens. Like I said, I wish I could really capitalize off being able to put a cam in here right now, but I just do not have the funds right now to do what I want to do with it right now. So I just keep it stock for now, put stock stuff back in, and hope that the lifters ain't wipe out a cam lobe or nothing like that. So y'all cross your fingers on that. And also y'all let me know what do y'all want to see on the channel, man? Because a lot of my subscribers and viewers are people that's not subscribed, man. So y'all let me know what I could do to make it more enjoyable, you know. And y'all put down in the comments that y'all came, and you leave constructive criticism too, man. I don't take that hard or nothing, man. Like I said, that's needed. But yeah, man, like I said, we're gonna close out this video, man. Like I said, I'm still tired. Like I said, I had to work this morning. I ain't even take no nap. Ready for another nap, man. But I'm gonna get up out of here, y'all. Like I said, I'm tired of this car stressing me out. Like I said, I hate this happening. Like I said, this car needs struts. Shocks in the back. Well, actually just one, and then some lower control arms in the front, I think. But anyway, man, like I said, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Bunch of ranting. But y'all tap in on the next one. Whatever y'all want me to do the next video on, whatever y'all want to see next, y'all drop in the comments. So y'all definitely let me know what's up. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse the channel. We're going up all the rest of the year. I appreciate all the love and support and the people that do rock with your boy. Most of the gang, we finna get up out the thing. Yes, sir.